you are a writer or even thinking of writing someday, this video is for you. Traditional publish करवाना अपनी बुक को बहुत टफ हो जाता है. Like एक publisher से दूसरी publisher from getting your manuscript checked, then approved, and then waiting for it to get published. बहुत time consuming हो जाता है. And those impatient authors like me who want to get their book published, they usually go for self-publishing platforms. But self-publishing platforms where marketing of the books plays a very crucial role. So there are three ways through which you can market your books effectively. Number first would be content creation, create content around that. Number two would be Amazon. Amazon पे reviews कितने हैं, Amazon पे sales कितनी हो रही है, तभी वो आपकी बुक को ऊपर रैंक शिफ्ट करेगा, तभी आपकी बुक ज़्यादा विजिबल होगी, तभी आपकी बुक की उतनी सेल्स हो पाएंगी. नंबर थ्री इज एड्स. तो आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं रिव्यूज के बारे में, लाइक हाउ टू गेट जेन्युइन रिव्यूज फॉर योर बुक. लाइक आपकी बुक को पढ़ के कौन रिव्यू देगा, एंड दोस रिव्यूज विल बी वेरीफाइड परचेज, क्योंकि Amazon को पसंद है ट्रांजैक्शन में. लाइक पीपल आर इंटरेक्टिंग विद योर बुक, आपकी बुक सेल हो रही है तभी वो आपकी बुक को ऊपर शो करते हैं. सो हाउ टू गेट दोस जेन्युइन रिव्यूज. So I found a very good website. Which is that website and how to use that website? Watch till the very end in this video. I've told everything about that website and I personally liked using that website. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. We are on my laptop screen right now, and without any further delay, let's go to the website. It's penandplotproduction.com. So here is the website. Okay, website का working model, like how does that work? सबसे पहले as a you can list down your books and read and review other books जो और authors ने अपनी books इस website पे list कर रखी हैं. You need to review those books. You will be earning pen points for reading those books and submitting your reviews. I'll be telling all those reviews and everything in detail. Just a basic description. Then you will get pen points for that, and you can use that pen points to get reviews for your book in exchange. लाइक मॉनेटरी एक्सचेंज कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ पे आपको पेन पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे फॉर रिव्यूज, एंड आप वो पेन पॉइंट्स यूज करके अपनी बुक के जेन्युइन रिव्यूज, लाइक वेरीफाइड रिव्यूज जो होते हैं, जिन लोगों ने आपकी बुक अमेजोन पे परचेज की है, उनके रिव्यूज आप अवेल कर सकते हो एंड मेक योर बुक रैंक बेटर ऑन अमेजोन. So that is how this website works. So first of all, we will start up with sign up, and okay, we don't have account earlier, so we'll register. What is your full name? Just put in your full name, your email address, create a strong password. Okay, I'll change it, I'll make it, I'm not telling you. I hope my password is same. Create account. Yes, account is created. Now I'll need to verify it on my email that yes, this is the like real person, and for verifying that my email is correct, yes, verified from my phone also, and यहाँ पे मैंने दोबारा लॉगिन कर लिया. Okay, so this is the website you see. Okay, पेन बैलेंस हमें एक पेन पहले से बाय डिफॉल्ट मिलता है that we can use to list our books, but एक पेन है, ठीक है. So this is the basic website, first home screen जो आपको दिखती है. Then comes your books section, ठीक है. यहाँ पे you will see the books जिनकी ऑप्शन है आपके पास to review. Like you can go through the books, you can go through the this book catalog, and you can find like which type of books you want to read, and उसको read करके you can submit your reviews and you can earn pen points, and आगे you can use those pen points to list your books, ठीक है. Here book section, then you comes to subscription. For us, like as a beginner, you can go with trial period, and then like website is working literally well for me, and then it is the minimum like subscription. Foreign websites here, like they are doing the same work, but they are charging like so much subscription, man. And this is like the legit website I have found, जो इतने कम price में it is providing you all that. And then comes your review section, ठीक है. Now we'll start up with आपने अपना book review देना कैसे है. So go, okay, here also the steps are written. First of all, go to the book section, find out the book you want to read. Okay, mark it as reading. There you will get three options, I'll explain that. Okay, go to the book section, choose your book, buy it on Amazon. Yes, you need to buy it on Amazon. ओके इसके पीछे भी है द बुक्स दैट आर अप टू 99 दैट कॉस्ट यू दैट विल गिव यू वन पेन. ठीक है. द बुक्स दैट आर बिटवीन 100 and 199 दे विल गिव यू टू पेन्स. फॉर 200 to 299 उस बुक को रिव्यू करने के लिए यू विल गेट थ्री पेन्स. And for 300 to 399 you will get 4 pens, and for books priced above 400 you will require 5 pens. आपको 5 pens मिलेंगे for reviewing that book. But yes, वो book को आपको Amazon पे जाके purchase करना पड़ेगा. Purchase करने के बाद then you will have to go through that book, go through that ebook and then write a review on Amazon. ठीक है. Now Amazon पे आपने review लिखा, same review और वो link review का you will have to come and put up in this book section. वेरिफिकेशन के लिए यू नीड टू वेट लाइक यूजुअली 1-2 डे एंड उसके बेसिस पे आपको पेन्स जो हैं वो आपके अकाउंट में डिलीवर हो जाते हैं. सो विल गो टू द बुक सेक्शन राइट नाउ एंड you can go through number of books it has. I have also listed my book. Okay, so for example you want to go and review my book only, click on more and then okay, here you get three features. First is buy on Amazon. This will link you to directly to the Amazon and you can buy a book from there and then start reading and all that stuff. Write a review if you have already read that and you want to write your review and submit. Amazon review wala link also works. Go to write a review feature and then mark as reading. Mark as reading is an important feature. मान लो अगर आपने बुक जाके Amazon पे परचेज कर ली बट देन जो ये रिव्यूज रिमेनिंग है वो किसी और ने तब तक बुक का रिव्यू दे दिया एंड नाउ देर आर नो मोर रिव्यूज टू वो दैट बुक इज आस्किंग फॉर, तो आपकी वो बुक परचेज की हुई रिव्यू देने के लिए काम नहीं आई. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव मार्क एज रीडिंग ऑप्शन. यू कैन मार्क इट एज रीडिंग and then you can go on Amazon and buy this book and you will have this book in the like mark as reading wala section. I just press that button thrice now. Okay, no worries. Okay, you will have this thing in your reading section for like for 5 days. 5 days ke within you will have to submit your review for this book. Okay, now I'll go to Amazon. I'll buy this book from there. I'll read that and after reading, okay, I can mark it as complete. I'll mark it as complete. I write the same review जो मैंने वहाँ पे review लिखा था. Same I can put it here. I'll submit the review. Oh yeah, review would be more genuine and all. This is what I'm putting it right now. Okay, then you have my reviews. You will need to submit your Amazon link also. तभी वो verified होगा, तभी क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो verified purchase आएगा, वरना वो नहीं आता. Amazon doesn't list your review and वो ranking में फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So you need to buy it on Amazon, read it and submit the confirmation link जो आपने Amazon पे as review. Submit my Amazon review link. I've already copied it, so I'll just paste the review link here and submit it to the admin. This review will get approval within 1 to 2 business days as it is mentioned. You will get a confirmation email जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हो within 1 to 2 day and आपका रिव्यू अप्रूव हो जाएगा and all those pens like 1 pen or 2 pen will be credited to your account and then you can use those accounts to list your book out there. Now how to list your book? You can just click on add your book, enter book title. For example, now I'll list my another book. It's Broke to Freelancer. Author name. And the question that was arising was, do we need to purchase the book? Yes, you need to purchase this book. Okay, can book reviewers make money using this platform? So no, because you will be getting pen points and you can just put it out, like use those pen points to list your book. ठीक है, आपको अपनी बुक लिस्ट करने के लिए ही उसकी अवेलेबिलिटी होगी, not more than that. You wouldn't be able to get any cash. So book reviewers के लिए it wouldn't be an earning source, but हाँ use करना चाहते हैं, they want to read books, they want to write reviews ऐसे ही, for sure they can use it, but would they be earning to that? So the answer is no. Okay, here I have put in my Amazon URL. I've just copied it from here and I've pasted it on this Amazon URL thing. Okay, cover image. Yes. You can just put in your cover image here, your book description. Why, man? So these are like maybe genuine reviews, and these are also the reviews our book has got. So yes, yeah. Here I get my book description. Now, नंबर ऑफ लिस्टिंग्स, आपको कितनी पेन्स हैं आपके पास एंड आपको कितने रिव्यूज चाहिए. लाइक आपके बुक का प्राइस क्या है, प्राइस के बेसिस पे यू विल नीड टू पे दैट. माई बुक इज कॉस्टिंग किंडल एडिशन 246. सो दैट वुड बी टफ टू लिस्ट क्योंकि मेरे पास राइट नाउ अभी सिर्फ एक ही पेन है एंड आई वुडेंट बी एबल टू लिस्ट इट क्योंकि as I mentioned, 100 रुपये तक की अगर बुक है यू विल गेट 1 पॉइंट एंड यू विल नीड टू स्पेंड 1 पॉइंट पेन पॉइंट ओनली. अगर 100 से 200 है 2 पेन पॉइंट्स, 200 से 300 है तो 3 पेन पॉइंट्स एंड 300 to 400 है 4 पेन पॉइंट्स एंड अबव यू नीड टू स्पेंड लाइक 5 पेन पॉइंट्स. सो वो वाली चीज़ है. नाउ दिस इज 246 and I don't have 3 pens right now in my account. I'll choose a category here. Okay, it's educational but ठीक है. I'll choose a category here and yes, number of listings. Agar I'll show you my another book. This one. This one pay I had more pen points. That's why I was able to like list for 5 reviews and this was below 100. So I was able to like list 1 pen point for 1 review and I was able to list for it for 5 reviews. So वैसे ही you can make your listing say of 5 and like as I mentioned it's between 200 to 300, so 3 pen points it becomes 15 and you just then need to add book. अभी ये book add नहीं होगी क्योंकि pen points नहीं है, but you can add this book. Okay, let's reduce this to 99 and then I'll able to add like at least one. Okay, let's see if this goes well. Tada, my book is listed, but I have listed the wrong price here. I'll just delete that book. It was just like I wanted to show. So here my book collection is showing and in book section also you would be able to see my book. See here, you will be able to see my book, but वही है यहाँ पे it is giving 1 pen point as reward and it is understood that it would be below 100. But अगर कोई mislead होके Amazon पे जाता है and then they see like price is 246 or something like that, they wouldn't be reviewing my book. So it's only my fault if I'm doing it that way. However, I'm deleting it right now. ठीक है, तो वो चीज़ है. That is how the pen point system work and I've told you how to review your book. I've told you about pens. Okay. Another question that was being asked was, will reviews be posted directly on Amazon? Yes, those reviews will be posted directly on Amazon. Okay, and those will be verified reviews. Okay, what are pen points and how do they work? I've explained it very well. Like pen points, you will get it for reviewing every book and you can use those pen points to list your book and get reviews for your book too. Okay, how to redeem your pen points for listing your book? I have told it right now. जितने पेन पॉइंट्स आपको परचेज पे मिल रहे हैं उतने पेन पॉइंट्स ही आपको देने पड़ेंगे फॉर गेटिंग रिव्यू फॉर योर बुक एज पर द प्राइस. ठीक है. Can I try the platform before subscribing? For sure, it is providing you 15-day trial window, so you can always. What happens to my progress if I cancel my membership? So, this website gives you complete flexibility and peace of mind. If you choose to cancel your membership, you will still retain full access to all the features until the end of your current billing cycle. Okay. अगर आपकी मेंबरशिप एंड हो जाती है एंड यू डोंट वांट टू कंटिन्यू आल्सो, तो योर Amazon reviews will be like would be remaining published on Amazon and your unused pen points will still be there इन योर अकाउंट, चाहे आपका मर्जी उसको रिन्यू करवाओ योर अपने अकाउंट को. सो दैट्स द थिंग, आपके पेन पॉइंट्स आपके पास सिक्योर्ड रहेंगे. So yes, are there any content guidelines for the book file list? So books from every genre are accepted here, but yes, you need to make sure like your book is of good quality and good type of content is there. But yes, your book should not promote any hate speech, violence, or plagiarism. Rest all books are welcomed, and this website accepts books. ठीक है, आप मल्टीपल बुक्स लिस्ट कर सकते हो एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सो येस, यू कैन लिस्ट नंबर ऑफ बुक्स. ठीक है, बट वही अगर एक बुक की आप नंबर ऑफ लिस्टिंग कर रहे हो, लाइक आई हैव लिस्टेड माई बुक 10 times and then at every time I'm just asking for one review. Number of listings बढ़ा दो, it's going to cost you the same. ठीक है, तो येस यू कैन लिस्ट लाइक मल्टीपल बुक्स एक अकाउंट से, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और एक बुक की आप लिस्टिंग भी बढ़ा सकते हो, एज आई शोड यू अर्लियर कि आप उसके लिस्टिंग भी बढ़ा सकते हो यूजिंग योर पेन पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, अगेन क्वेश्चन, डू आई नीड टू बाय द बुक ऑन Amazon to post a review? Yes, you need to buy it for the review to be a genuine one, to be a verified one. And also you would also be getting genuine reviews from authors only on your book also. So yes, you need to buy the book on Amazon. Okay, what happens if someone leaves a fake or AI generated review? So यहाँ पे रिव्यूज जो है प्योरली लाइक मॉडरेशन के बाद ही पब्लिश होते हैं, एंड यू वुड रिव्यू वुड बी ऑथेंटिक ओनली. बट अगर इनऑथेंटिक मिलता है, इट वुड बी रिजेक्टेड एंड आपका वो पेन भी यूज़ नहीं होगा. सो इट्स लिटरली सेफ फ्रॉम देयर एंड. कोई ऐसा AI जनरेटेड गलत रिव्यू नहीं आएगा. इट वुड बी वेरी गुड. सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. डू पेन पॉइंट्स एक्सपायर? नो, दे डोंट. आपका मर्जी आके अपनी बुक दोबारा लिस्ट कर सकते हो. यू कैन रिडीम, यू कैन यूज दोज पेन पॉइंट्स. सो they don't expire. Happy. Is pen and cloth production only for Indian users? So no, it's not primarily, like it is designed for Indian users. It is taking payment gateway as UPI. So if you are in like any other countries, but you can use UPI, so you are welcomed here. You are purely welcomed here. And this is all about the website. I have been using it. Like I found it literally good. Like I have started reading this book, but I don't feel like complete हो जाएगी मेरे से 3 दिन में और बचे हैं. But I'll try to complete. I've completed more than half. I'll try to complete it and submit my review for this book. And rest, this is what I literally have to read. And बहुत अच्छे book collection, and this one is like good for teenagers. So the website, its collection of books is literally good, and now I have listed my book also, so it has become much better. Just kidding. But this website whole, the interface, the smoothness, the like pen system, the flexibility it gives you while listing your book and all that stuff. Like I have listed this book from different accounts, so it's literally amazing. You can go and use this website. Sameeksha approved it is. So this was all about penandclothproduction.com. This website is doing genuinely good work. Like I have checked, and all those reviews are genuine. That website is very smooth and all that stuff. So you should definitely try out this website, and link to this website is in the description. Make sure to go and check out this website. This is Sameeksha Juneja signing off. Do subscribe for more book related content writing and internships related stuff.